What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. I want to thank you for letting me back into your garage. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. So today I'm going to show you a couple different ways to compress your brake pistons so that way anybody can do it. I got a couple different brake videos out there and I figured this might be useful. So let's get our tools and our gloves on and let's get to it. To compress the piston with the flathead screwdriver, you're going to stick it inside the vents on the rotor and wedge it against the caliper and just push it. Push the piston in. The bigger the screwdriver, probably the better off you'll be doing this. Alright, it's all the way in. That's how you do it with a flathead screwdriver. The C-clamp method for compressing the brake piston goes like this. And put the old pad in there. Take your C-clamp and just tighten it down. You want to make sure that this isn't on any hardware back here that you're going to damage, like a bleeder screw or the banjo bolt holds the brake line on. And you can just compress away. Or if you like collecting tools and you're lucky enough to have one of these, you just squeeze it like a caulking gun and compresses it pretty easy. This last method for compressing the piston is my least favorite. It's quite a pain. It's on the rear of some cars. Ford seems to do it a lot. But basically you have to twist the piston back into the bore. Some cars will go clockwise, some of them will go counterclockwise. There's a pneumatic tool for doing this, which is probably the easiest to use. There's another version that goes on to the end of a socket, and it's kind of a pain to use. I get the best one you can get because it's going to be easier.